Hi, welcome back. Thanks for watching. It is our Saturday morning. And hello. Say hi, B.
Hi.
You guys know my daughter. This is Mia, the baby twin. We just wanted to come and tell you some surprising news. But first, let's say hello to my new 2 subscribers. I reached 700. Woo! And one. We made it to 701 subbies. Hi, guys. So my 700th subscriber was a teacher friend and my YouTube in my head mentor, if you will. Her name is the Buddy Zone. I've linked her before, and I'll definitely link her again. She's number 700. And 701 happens to have the same name as my mother, Holly. So, and I'll link her video or her channel as well. But Mia is here to tell us some good news. Mia, what am I giving away here?
You're giving away an Amazon gift card with worth $25.
You hear Manny? What? An Amazon gift card worth 25 bucks. And all you have to do is comment what do you want to see in future videos. To give good content, I've got to kind of know what you're looking for, right? So what do you want to see in future videos? Comment below and you can win what?
A $25 gift card.
You can win a $25 gift card. Here's my week. Woo-woo. Feeling good. Just got a shout out from my library. It's a mess right now, but they wanted to come in and take pictures because they want everyone to level their library. And so a lot of people weren't sure, a lot of teachers weren't sure how to do it. So came in, gave me a shout out, took some pictures, and I'm here if they need help. Yeah. Afternoon. It is 3:40 and I'm just coming to you today. It's my third. Hello. Welcome back. It is Monday morning, 4-day week. There's no school Friday. So it's going to be a great day, as I think I say almost every day. And what you say, you speak the truth, right? So it's going to be a great day. It is 7:30. Time change has me all messed up. It's still pitch black outside. Yeah. So I'm all messed up today. I had a great weekend. We had our final booth for Girl Scouts this weekend. So we're all done with our Girl Scout cookies. And I have about 2 more weeks to get all the money together and get all that good stuff together and submit everything and officially be done. This week, I cross-curriculum social studies with reading, of course. And we're learning about the Buffalo Soldiers and their role in Florida history. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I've got a big project planned for the entire 4th grade. We're starting in writing our expert animal groups, which is reading and writing because it has a lot of research to go along with it. And so in the end, they get to make this. Let's see if I can go through it. This is one of my students from last year. And so they learn a lot about, they become experts in, this student was an expert in monarch butterflies. And so they had to do a lot of research, and it takes about a month and a half to complete. So starting that today with all 4th grade. So we're doing a big project in reading and in writing. So I'm really excited about that. Before I go, here's my outfit. Just my love skirt and my little comfortable shoes. And then my shirt has hearts to go with my love skirt today. Oh, and I got my hair done again this weekend. So I'm thinking about curling this up. We'll see. I don't know. But see you tomorrow. Hello, hello, good morning. Hello, wherever you're watching. It's my Tuesday morning, 7:35. It's gonna be a great day. Yesterday was a great day. We had a Girl Scouts meeting yesterday. Collecting money, closing out our Girl Scouts account this week. Today we have a special meeting. I'm not exactly sure what it is. They called it a cleanup meeting today during our planning time, and it's an extended meeting, which means a substitute will be in my class for 40 minutes while I'm at the meeting. So, yeah. Oh, she won't be in my class because we moved classes. So, my dear teacher friend is not here today. I miss you, darling. So, here's my outfit. It's a cold Florida morning. It's cold here, and from the news, it's snowing everywhere else. It's, what was it this morning? 49 degrees this morning. So that's very, very cold for Florida. Just some capris and my shoesies. So, got my coffee brewing. Everything else is ready for today. I'm ready. This is all I brought to eat with me today. I had Chinese leftovers and I left them home. So I'm going to try maybe run to McDonald's or Walmart or just see what they have in a cafe for lunch. So, see you tomorrow. Hello, hello. And it is my Wednesday, and it's cold in sunny Florida. Yesterday, we had an extended planning period. This light is so weird. And that was to discuss the district visit. We had a surprise district visit about a week, maybe 2 weeks ago. And so we had an extended planning period yesterday to discuss that. And, well, some things we need to get into compliance with. So the district comes back next week for their last visit of the year. And hopefully we have less things to be in compliance with. Trying to fix my sock. I've got on no-show socks and they keep slipping. I can't stand it. But I went to a Girl Scouts meeting last night, or the grown-up version, with the troop leaders. That was very informative. It's going to be a great day. Tomorrow is Thursday, but as I was saying, there's no school on Friday here. But the teachers have in-service, or that's what they used to call it, in-service, PD. Now it's called professional development. This makes my face look weird. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, it's just a plain old Wednesday. Here's my outfit. Like I said, it's quite chilly here in Florida, so I put some gray suit pants, maybe. Maybe they belonged to a suit. I don't know. And I got some new shoes from Wish for $5. $5. And they're different. So, all right, let me get my coffee made. Black coffee. Add some cream and sugar to this. So, let me show you my morning meeting. Someone walked in and they guessed it immediately. So, can you guess what it is? What's our puzzle for today? Top secret. Ha ha. All right. See you tomorrow. Afternoon. It is 3:40 and I'm just coming to you today. It's my Thursday. You can call it a Friday since there's no school tomorrow. Yay! I do have to be here for a PD. Anyway, let me tell you about this morning. So, I wake up. My husband's still in the bed with me. Kids are still in the bed. I look outside and the sun is up. You automatically know that's a bad sign if you hear birds and the sun is up and you are a working person. I don't know many jobs that start when the sun comes up. Usually jobs are early, especially teacher jobs. Well, anyway, I'm looking at it because I can barely see y'all. And I'm like, babe, please tell me that clock does not say 7:05. Oh my gosh, we both jumped up because my husband has to be to work at 7:30. And you guys know I'm here by 7:15. Oh my gosh. Marvin, Mia, wake up. It was a mad dash. Mad dash this morning. And I've been going ever since. I'm so tired. Supposed to go out tonight with my teacher friends. We have an evening at Painting with the Twist, and I told him I can't promise right now. I've already paid for my seat. I was trying to find another teacher that may be able to take my spot because I can't promise that I'm going to be there. I'm just drained, and that goes back to something that Diary of a Mad Black Teacher, Ruth, that we were discussing one time, I think on Facebook, where I don't look sick, right? It's just it's a mental health thing, and we have to take care of our mental health. And so that's where I am. I just kind of want to go home and mince. I teach kindergarten and first grade how to know the days of the week with mints. Anyway, I just want to go home and I just want to get in my bed, put some jammies on, turn the TV on. I've got all my grading for the week done. I do need to put it into the grade book, but that can surely wait. I've got all my grading done. I've got all my lesson plans done up to spring break, and I'll plan spring break sometime coming up here soon, or, the week when we get back. I'm just tired, so it was a great day. My kids are very accommodating to me, When I walked into the classroom with my stuff at the same time that they walked in, I was like, hold on, guys. I just got here. I need some time. They're like, okay, Miss Freeman. They came in, got on their computers, started their research. Had a good class. Really, really good class. Now I'm going to go back to the beginning of the year and say, in the beginning of the year when I was having so much discipline trouble, which we all do, but those relationships mend all of that stuff out in the end, which is why very beginning of the year I was telling you guys relationships are key to sustaining your year. So here's my desk at the end of the day. I'm so tired. One positive, I got a cupcake. My lunch, kids come in from lunch and they're like, why do I smell fried chicken? Miss Freeman, I want some fried chicken. Y'all better get out of my face, right? I went to Walmart and I usually they have little cups of chicken dippers, or not chicken strips, just like little balls of fried chicken. And I usually get that and put it on top of my salad and have that for lunch. Not usually, maybe twice a week I do that. They didn't have those today, so I said, I want some chicken so bad. So I got that big old pack of fried chicken from Walmart. I don't care, we'll eat it. But that is it for my week. I'm done. One more week until spring break. I don't have anything exciting on the day. The good thing about I'm a pre-planner, and so, all of our clothes are laid out the night before, so I was able to just grab my clothes. Didn't have to worry about it today. And I just have on blue khakis and my school t-shirt and my new shoes. So, Good thing, like I said, I'm a planner. Otherwise, it could have been disastrous trying to find clothes this morning. But, all right. See you next week. Or I may bring you back tomorrow during our PD. So, I'll see you later. Hello. It is Friday and I'm at my PD. This is a new phone. I don't know if I'll be able to tell the difference or not from yesterday to today. Coffee's brewing. I have about 2 minutes until I have to make it to the cafe. But it's a PD, or a professional development day, and it's all about behavior. So, see what this is all about? And thanks for watching.